The 10-cent coin is trading somewhere around $25. $25 at the moment, okay? And now they have started a brand new platform with 2-cent coin, these BLV tokens. Now the BLV is just a start, only 1.5 months back, and today the community is 3.5 million already. So this is how vast this system is going. More than 193 companies already, countries already in the system already on that platform. So with the 10-cent coins, they already have a history where they reached to $25 at the moment, even in the bear market. And they just recently started with this coin only 2 cents. Okay. So with the 2 cent, their projections are somewhere around $2 by end of 1.5 years. This is a projection, but the best part is you can sign up for free. You use this QR code, you registered this application on your mobile phone with my QR code, obviously. You get 100 tokens for free, absolutely free, and even that 100 tokens you can put it on staking, on mining. Those 100 tokens can give you value every day 1% for free. Free token staking, you get 1% every day for free till 500 days. So that means 100 tokens will go to somewhere around 500 tokens by end of 16 months, 16.5 months, and if the price reaches to 10x or maybe 20x, still you be in profit because you didn't even invest a single penny, right? But at the moment this token is on 2 cents, but by end of 16 months the company is projecting somewhere around $2. Imagine the 500 multiply by $2. So this is the number comes in. 1,000 worth of token for free. So this is what it is. Yeah. And only in 1 month we have 3.5 million people already and still running. Every day 200,000 people registering every day.